Every crystal begins deep inside ancient mountains shaped over millions of years.
Precision drilling prepares the mountain for its next controlled release.
Controlled force separates enormous blocks without wasting valuable mineral. Powerful machines move nature's ancient treasure toward processing.
The journey from mountain to factory has officially begun.
Every shipment enters a carefully organized production system.
Raw mineral begins its transformation with controlled handling. Careful feeding protects both equipment and product quality. Massive stone becomes manageable material for precise refinement. The factory now prepares every crystal for modern processing. Every load is inspected before precision cleaning begins. Screening separates material by size for efficient processing. Experienced eyes catch what machines may overlook. A thorough rinse reveals the mineral's natural brilliance. Removing excess moisture prepares the crystals for refined processing. Advanced safeguards ensure only pure mineral moves forward. Controlled airflow improves purity without damaging the crystals. Modern vision systems verify consistency at remarkable speed. Temporary storage keeps production flowing without interruption.
Now the true transformation of Himalayan pink salt begins. Each stage brings the mineral closer to its final form.
Vertical transport keeps production flowing efficiently. Accurate grading creates consistent crystal sizes for every application. Consistency is achieved through careful mechanical refinement. Gentle polishing enhances both appearance and quality. Nothing valuable is wasted in modern mineral processing. Automation keeps every production stream perfectly balanced. Different products begin with carefully controlled particle sizes. Precision processing prepares every crystal for intelligent automation. Automation directs every crystal with remarkable precision. Every batch begins with perfectly measured accuracy.
Careful blending delivers consistency in every shipment.
Continuous monitoring protects product quality at every step. Controlled airflow prepares crystals for their final inspection. Advanced vision confirms exceptional product consistency. Balanced storage keeps production moving without interruption. Every movement is timed for maximum efficiency.
Preparation ensures every package receives perfect accuracy.
The finished crystals now enter their final manufacturing stage. Precision filling ensures every package meets exact specifications. A secure seal protects purity from factory to customer. Every seal is verified before moving forward. Clear identification keeps every product fully traceable. Every package carries its own production history. Accuracy is confirmed one package at a time. Strong cartons prepare the product for safe transportation.
Organized palletizing protects every shipment during transit.
Finished products are now ready for final quality approval.
Finished products are now ready for final quality approval.
Quality verification begins before every shipment is approved. Representative samples confirm consistency across every production batch. Laboratory measurements validate production accuracy. Uniform crystal size defines premium product quality.
Scientific testing confirms the mineral's natural characteristics. Controlled moisture preserves product stability and shelf life. Complete traceability strengthens confidence in every package. Digital tracking connects every package to its production history. Only fully approved products continue to distribution. The journey now reaches its final destination before delivery. Finished products await shipment in carefully managed storage. Accurate inventory ensures every order is fulfilled efficiently. Preparation keeps every shipment safe and on schedule.
Careful loading protects every package throughout its journey.
Secure transport begins with disciplined preparation.
Every shipment leaves only after complete operational approval.
From mountain to marketplace, the journey continues.
And this is how modern factories produce Himalayan pink salt from start to finish.
Innovation and tradition work together to deliver nature's ancient mineral to the world. Thank you for watching, and we'll see you inside another real factory soon.